Well, hello there, Retro PC Derm. It's Chris here with another video. Today, something maybe a little bit different. I've got this MacBook Pro now. I've had this for a while, let's just say. And I'm not a Mac person. I don't have a very much experience with Mac products at all. But I received this as a donation more than a year ago. And so it's this Gen 1 MacBook Pro. It's got a Core 2 Duo processor in it. Maxes out at 2 gig of RAM. But it's got a really nice screen and the case is in great condition. There's no battery left in it anymore. The battery that came with it was a spicy pillow, so I had to get rid of it. I wanted to reload it and ran into a whole bunch of trouble. So if you're familiar with Macs, like modern, I guess, Macs, after 2010 or so, they started doing like cloud install capability. So you could just boot the system up and like hold the Mac or the Option key and R or something like that, and it would load you into a recovery program essentially. And that doesn't exist on this. So the Gen 1s here, they don't have that functionality. The only way to reinstall the system is from a backup or with a disk, an OS disk, which I don't have access to. So what I'm going to try and do today is actually burn the installation ISO onto a DVD and try to reinstall a fresh install of Snow Leopard, which would be 10.6, which is the version that's supported on the MacBook Pro. There is the ability to get newer versions. So if you want to get Lion, which is 10.7, or anything newer, so Lion, Mountain Lion, and Mavericks apparently were all versions that would run on this, but there's some tricks you've got to do to get it to work, and it seemed really complicated, and I figured at the very least have to get the version that it's supposed to come with installed on here first before I try anything else. So that's what we're going to try and do today. So I had ordered a while ago as well these 8.5 gigabyte DVD recordable discs. So they're, I guess, dual layer discs. So they have twice the capacity of a standard DVD. You can see a kind of a blue tint to them. So I'm going to put that into the system here. And I'm going to hope that that was a good sound. And the next thing I'm going to do is I want to actually burn the image that I downloaded onto that DVD. That's going to be the next step here. So I'm opening up Disk Utility. And it's taking a little bit longer than it normally does. Maybe that's because it's trying to read to see if there's anything on this DVD at all, which there shouldn't be because it's a brand new DVD. Doesn't have anything on it. Okay, I don't know. Okay, so maybe it just spat it out because there was nothing on it and doesn't like it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this Snow Leopard install ISO and I want to burn this. So we're going to hit burn and we're going to install a disk. And maybe it doesn't like it. Let's try again. So we're waiting for drive now. That does sound like a normal seek for an optical drive, so maybe it's okay. No, it says it's still waiting still waiting to be I don't understand. Oh, maybe there's something wrong with this optical drive? Like I should check maybe to see if something else will work in it. But I don't have any discs that are like, I don't know if any of these discs that I like, CDs and discs that I have, are formatted that they can actually be read in here. So that might be an issue. I mean, we can check, we can try. I'm going to take a random CD I have here and see if it actually will read it or not. This is just a CD that's digital catalog. I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to open up Finder and we'll see if it... Okay, so this is working, right? It's reading the disc here. It's got this no doubt digital catalog. This was an album that my wife had bought years and years and years ago, 2009, and the album came with a digital version you could download, like to get all the MP3s, DMCA free. So that's what this is. It reads it fine, and okay, that's not good. It's like trying to like eject it and it's like not happy. Okay. Well, that doesn't sound good at all. Oh my. Okay, so maybe what we're gonna have to do is take this apart. Oh geez. We're back in, and I guess we'll check the DVD drive again, because it read that other disc and then it wouldn't spit it back out. So maybe we'll just try doing this again where we install. Yeah, that sound is... It sounds really nasty going in, but then once it's in there, it seems like it's spinning up fine. But I don't understand why it spits it back out. Here it goes. It's mad again. Yeah, it spit it out. So why you do this? Why you do this to me? This is specifically ordered these discs as being the ones that are supposed to be good for Mac. So I'm at a loss. If you can tell me what I'm doing wrong in the comments down below, I would greatly appreciate it, because I do want to get around to doing this. Or, hey, if you are feeling really, really generous, send me an installation CD, an installation DVD for Snow Leopard, or heck, you know what? If you send me one for Lion, Mountain Lion, or Mavericks, I'll look up the instructions to see how to install those on this system. I mean, but a Snow Leopard would be great. 10.6 to 10.69 or whatever versions are available, and I'll see if I can get it installed on the system, because this apparently is not going to work. Not going to work at all. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching me, break a MacBook Pro, and yeah, that's about it. As always, I hope you're staying safe and healthy, and we'll catch you in the next one.